Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Acorns app subscription. Whether you're re-evaluating your investment strategy or exploring other financial tools, this guide will walk you through the process of canceling your Acorns subscription, ensuring a smooth transition. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Acorns app on your mobile device or visit acorns.com on your desktop as it is right here. Now, enter your login credentials to access your account. I'm not able to access my account or to log in because it does not support my region. But if you do and you're able to log in, just access the home screen. Now, from the home screen, tap the profile icon, which is your profile icon located in the top left corner. Within your profile, tap on Settings to access account options. In the Settings menu, tap on My Subscription to view your current plan details. Then scroll down and select the option to cancel your subscription. Of course, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. Review the cancellation details and confirm to finalize the process. Ensure that all funds have been withdrawn from your Acorns account before canceling, as the platform may require accounts to be empty prior to closure. Now, before canceling, consider the following. Number one, billing cycle. Canceling your subscription will stop future billing, but you may still have access to Acorns services until the end of your current billing period. Then consider reactivation. If you decide to return to Acorns in the future, you can just reactivate your account by logging in and selecting a new subscription plan. For customer support, that's for assistance if you encounter issues during cancellation, contact Acorns support through the app or at support.acorns.com. Canceling your Acorns subscription is a straightforward process, so by following the steps, you can just ensure a hassle-free experience. Always remember to review your financial goals and choose the tools that best align with your investment strategy. So you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.